how to add reviews to Shopify store. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores with ease, in which it offers a user-friendly interface and a comprehensive set of tools designed to support entrepreneurs in selling products both online and in physical locations. So now to create an account, you can simply click here the login button or start free trial button on the top right corner. And after signing in, you'll be able to be directed on this dashboard or homepage of Shopify, where you can start navigating some of the options on the left side panel. We have here home, orders, products, customers, and many more. But before we start adding a review in here, just simply click this view your store in order to see what the status or current online store looks like at the moment, in which you will be able to be directed on this. And upon clicking on this specific product, it will show us in here that there is no other details or review on it. And to add a review, just simply click this add apps button. And upon clicking on it, on this pop-up window, it will show you a variety of application. And just click the Shopify App Store button below. Upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this Shopify App Store. And to proceed, just simply go to the search bar and kindly search review. Upon searching on it, you will be able to see all of the result and just click this judge.me product reviews app. Upon clicking on it, from here it will show you all of the details, including the feature that it offers that you can help to collect and manage unlimited reviews on autopilot, display eye-catching reviews, send coupons and referrals to encourage new and repeated purchases, and many more. And aside from that, from here, if you scroll down, it will show you some of the pricing plan that they offer. They offer here the free plan and also the awesome plan, amounting to $15 per month, with each corresponding prices and also list of benefits included in here. And below it will show you that it has an overall rating of 5 star with more than 42,000 positive feedback in here. And now to start installing this application, just simply click this install button right here. And upon doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page. And now to proceed, just click the install button in here to start installing once again this judge.me reviews. And upon doing so, you also need to fill out all of the required information to set up this application. We have here, as you can see, you need to choose or select your own language and answer the question, where would you like to install it? And I'm going to choose my current theme, then click Start Setup button. After setting up, it is also required to enable the app embed. By clicking this button right here, you will be directed on your editing section of your website on Shopify in here, and it will show you under the app embeds on the left side panel that it is currently turned on. And now to start saving the changes, you simply click the save button on the top right corner, in which it will automatically be saved or activated the app embeds of judge.me. And after that, just simply go back in our dashboard or homepage in here once again, then click the continue button to proceed. And you also need to install the review widget by clicking this button once again, where it will show you how you can start installing this kind of widget. And after that, make sure to also save and return here and click continue. So from here, you will automatically be directed once again on this editing page of our Wix website. And now to proceed, kindly click the save button once you have seen this under the apps, the review widgets, which is this one. So now to save the changes, just click the save button on the top right corner. So as you can see, we've now successfully saved or add a review in here. But again, going back on this page once again, just click the continue button, in which the next thing that we need to do is to simply install the star rating. By clicking again the button, you will automatically be directed again on this Shopify store, and it will show you that the star rating is now currently added in here. And if you wish to start changing the location of it, you can simply drag it depending on the location that you prefer. For example, I'm going to enter here below the price. So now it will show you that the pricing below contain this star rating. And after saving the changes by clicking the save button on the top right corner, you can now go back again on this page. Then proceed by clicking the continue button once again. And you also need to set up your branding by entering here the store logo, but that is just only optional. And now moving on from here, you also need to fill out this automatic review request. Then click the finish button after entering the number of days. You could also import our reviews or explore judge.me. And upon importing our reviews, you can also import from all of this integration or application in here. Now, if going back on this page, we don't have any kind of files to import from any of those integration, we can go back to this under collect reviews to collect some of the reviews, or you should be able to see here all of the lists of reviews from other customers. While under widgets, you could also select here to customize the review widget, star rating badge, and review carousel. Now aside from that, on the left side panel, you could also navigate some other options. We have here also this marketing and social, general settings, and any other options to navigate. But going back on this, it will show you that we have now successfully added the rating and also the review, which might help us to have a strong credibility upon selling a product on Shopify, in which reviews plays a crucial role in the success of Shopify store website. They serve as a powerful social proof, helping to build trust and credibility with potential customers. And from here, as you can see, you could also manage it on your application in here and start importing the real review from other consumers, in which when shoppers see a positive feedback from others who have purchased the same product, they feel more confident in making a buying decision. But overall, that is just basically how you can add reviews to Shopify store.